an original garden and dragon spine seat for this seat. It is customized with a seam. Then this seat has a waterproof hull design. The characteristic is that it is relatively light. A new handrail has also been added. Then let's take a seat first. Sitting is very comfortable. Then there are certain bags that are covered by bags. So let's talk about it now. This seat is very lightweight. It is also very convenient to carry. If you need a boss, you can contact us.